The prostate is a tiny walnut-shaped gland in the human body. It's located beneath the bladder and in front of the rectum. During sexual activity, the prostate gland helps produce semen, the nutrient-rich fluid carrying sperm during ejaculation. In males, it is positioned directly behind the bladder and covers the upper section of the tube that empties the bladder. Enlargement of the prostate, also known as BPH, exerts stress over the urethra. From here, the issue begins, since you can't properly move the urine down the tube because of prostate enlargement, and the liquid gets backed upward and trapped within the bladder. It can lead to insufficient bladder control, particularly at bedtime when attempting to sleep. People might suffer from a constant and intense desire to urinate, trouble commencing urine production, a weak or irregular urine flow, leaking at the last point of urination, and a failure to eliminate the bladder. BPH is so common that it affects up to 50% of men between the ages of 51 and 60, and up to 90% of men over 80. So what causes benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, in the first place? The prostate gland is controlled by powerful hormones known as sex hormones, including testosterone. The prostate gland converts testosterone into another hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. High levels of DHT cause the cells in the prostate to enlarge. Studies show that certain foods and beverages are known to have an impact on prostate health because of their effects on testosterone and other hormones. So in today's video, we'll focus on the top 8 most powerful herbs on this planet that can help cure an enlarged prostate and its related symptoms. Number 1. Pygeum. Pygeum is an herbal extract obtained from the African cherry tree's bark. Pygeum products have traditionally been used in old medicine for many years to treat prostate gland irritation, urinary difficulties, and other ailments. According to a 2010 source of information, Pygeum works on androgen receptors, which eventually limit prostate development. Another research published in 2012 revealed that Pygeum might aid in slowing natural prostate cell development. Pygeum can also aid in the prevention of BPH. Numerous Pygeum compounds may decrease inflammation by inhibiting the formation of prostaglandins, which are inflammatory markers in the human body. These substances have the potential to lower levels of testosterone in the prostate. Number 2. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seeds and oil extracted from them are gaining popularity as treatments for prostate hypertrophy. Pumpkin seeds are high in zinc and other nutrients that have been shown to benefit prostate health. Normal prostate function is dependent on optimum zinc levels. As a result, eating a handful of pumpkin seeds once or twice per week can help your prostate health. Pumpkin seed oil may also help to prevent prostate hypertrophy. Pumpkin seeds contain phytosterol, a curative substance possibly responsible for prostate growth reduction. Variations in hormone levels trigger hyperplasia. Oil from pumpkin seeds can aid in preventing excessively stimulated prostate cell growth, hence balancing hormones. Additionally, pumpkin seed oil contains high amounts of antioxidant compounds, including polyphenols and carotenoids, which may help protect against inflammation and chronic disease. Number 3. Stinging nettle. Nettle roots, leaves, and stems have historically been utilized for curing various ailments, including prostate enlargement such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, urine stimulation, or diuretic, and arthritis. In human research, stinging nettle in conjunction with other herbs, mainly saw palmetto, appears to be beneficial at reducing symptoms such as decreased urinary flow, delayed bladder emptying, post-urination dripping, and a persistent need to urinate. The swollen prostate gland presses on the urethra, the tube that drains urine from the bladder, causing these signs and symptoms. Stinging nettle contains chemicals that affect hormones, including testosterone and estrogen, or it acts directly on prostate cells and reduces BPH levels. Nettle is high in protein, vitamins A, B, C, and K, and micronutrients including iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, and zinc. Among the numerous compounds found in nettle are flavonoids, tannins, polyphenols, carotenoids, lectins, lignins, terpenes, and sterols. The compounds found in nettle are thought to be responsible for the herb's health benefits, which include antioxidant, analgesic or pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory, anti-infectious, anti-cancer or anti-proliferative, anti-ulcer, and undernourished actions. Number 4. Rye Grass Pollen. Rye grass pollen is extracted from ryegrass, or sea cow cereal. The powdered form of ryegrass pollen could affect the male hormone testosterone, calm the canal muscles through which urine runs, or the urethra, and increase the bladder's ability to urge urine out. Rye Grass Pollen extraction, or Kernilton, is a recognized pharmaceutical product in Western Europe, Japan, Korea, and Argentina. A food supplement containing pollen ryegrass and timothy grass extraction can help reduce the need to go to the toilet in the middle of the night. According to one study, rye pollen grass could prove helpful in lowering symptoms such as excessive urination and overnight urine. Number 5. Passion flower tea. Passion blossom, or Passiflora incarnata, is a climbing vine that blooms in white and purple. Passion flower contains compounds that are relaxing. If you're an individual who is quickly tense, worried, or angry, a cup of passion flower tea may be the answer to more than one of your problems. Passion flowers are one of the richest natural sources of chrysin. This flavonoid hormone has been demonstrated to normalize hormones, particularly estrogen and testosterone, which can prevent prostate growth or worsening. Passion flower has also been found to be a successful treatment for generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD symptoms, with fewer side effects than benzodiazepines. Next, number 6. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is an herbal remedy derived from the Serenoa repens berry. Its dried fruit is utilized in the production of medication. It is frequently used to cure an enlarged prostate, improve urinary function, and have anti-cancer properties. Some people use the supplement to increase libido and reproduction, as well as to relieve irritation. In men, saw palmetto reduces the pressure level on the tubes that evoke urine. Saw palmetto may also inhibit the conversion of testosterone to a more potent form known as dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. Saw palmetto decreases DHT levels and may aid in the prevention of various kinds of hair loss. According to 2 studies, daily administration of 320 milligrams of permixin, a particular saw palmetto extraction, proved more beneficial than a placebo in boosting urine flow and lowering overnight urination. Number 7. South African star grass. Beta-sitosterol is derived from the South African star grass, or Hypoxis ruperi. Beta-sitosterol is an excellent medical choice for curing BPH. Star grass extracts have applications in the medicinal field. In males with enlarged prostates, plant sterols such as beta-sitosterol are considered to decrease inflammation and enhance urination. An analysis of beta-sitosterol trials found that men who took it had fewer side effects than men who took a placebo. Symptoms were assessed by the International Prostate Symptom Score, or IPSS. Males using beta-sitosterol had a higher urinary rate than males taking a placebo. Number 8. Moringa powder. Moringa oleifera, often known as the miraculous tree and drumstick tree, is appreciated for its nutritional leaves and required medical benefits. Moringa powder is prepared from the dried leaves of a tropical tree. This substance has been used as a natural all-purpose remedy for thousands of years since it is high in therapeutic substances and minerals. Almost every component of the plant has long been utilized in herbal therapy to cure more than 300 different diseases. Moringa powder reduces inflammation, especially in the prostate. Moringa is also helpful in decreasing arthritic pain and suppressing tumor development in the body, lowering the chance of developing prostate cancer. If you want to know what foods you should avoid in enlarged prostate, then check out our video on 7 foods to avoid with an enlarged prostate. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to view more upcoming Create Cure content like this.